We're going to be replacing the rear struts on a Toyota Camry. One of the tricky parts is knowing where to access the top of the strut. Portions of the back seat need to be removed so you can access the top portion of the strut. This is the bolt that needs to be removed. Once this bolt is removed, you can remove the portion that you need to access the top of the strut. The bottom of the seat needs to be pulled out, not too far because you don't want the seat belts to slide out. Removing the bottom of the seat, there's these two hooks. You can pull up on the seat. I had to use a crowbar. Tap it and it'll go back in. With the seat portions removed, I'll show you where the top of the strut is. There's 3 nuts that need to come off. Underneath, we'll need to remove the sway bar link. Then the 2 big bolts that hold the entire strut on. Put a wrench on one side and then you can use a socket on the other side. There's enough room for an impact wrench in there. Keep one bolt fastened at the top so everything doesn't fall down. We'll tap out the bolts. You can put the nut on to protect the threads, then give it a light tap, remove the nut, another light tap with the ball end, then we can pull out the bolt. Remove the nut at the top, and then we can pull out the entire strut. Shake it around, get it loose, and then pull it out. Look for a clear spot to pull it out. Compare the new struts with the old ones. Make sure all the old hardware fits on. Put the new strut into place. Put everything back in reverse order. You may need an Allen wrench to hold the center of the sway bar link so you can put everything back together. We'll put back the caliper hose. Here's what the back of that seat cushion looks like. It's got the hook at the top and the bolt at the bottom. That's how I put struts on the Toyota Camry.